Tohwa kodhi county ma Migori ni japaga uchielo omake gwenge ma Migori ka tudo gi timo hand kongo ma Opwodhi ka en apedha mabende koro notime gwenge opogore chiegni sub counties te mantiere Migori. En report ma jafwambo marwa Joyce Diwar miyowa mathoth.
Ji 16 omaki e gwenge ma Migori ka itudogi kod timo handa kongo ma Opwodhi. Mano otimore e kinde mane otima apedha mar tieko mwandu ma Opwodhi madonjo kowuok e pinje ma oko ahinya to e piny libamba ma Tanzania kokalo e tong' ma Migori. County Commissioner ma Migori Migosi Mwangi Meru owacho ni negi mako mwandu mag math mane okochul usuru mage kowuok e piny libamba ma Tanzania mashinde 13 mag tuk yuto gi lal ka weg mwandu go duto omaki.
We have arrested several people, and two, as you can see, they are gambling machines that have been apprehended today. 2 of them from Migori. Then we have 3 also from Rongo, and also we have 8 also from Rongo that were arrested by officers from Kisumu, and they were set ablaze. So in total, today we have apprehended 13 gambling machines. We have also been able to arrest some of whom I've said we've arrested 16 people today because of various reasons. Some of them were selling before hours, and others are selling without licenses. Others are also selling some of substandard goods, and some of you can see they are here assorted. Some of them are originating from Tanzania, like you can see. Some of them are uncustomed. That is why we have certain samples so that people are able to see. So the purpose is to ensure that all concoctions, whether illicit or whether substandard, are going to be collected and recorded on daily basis for a period of the 35 days that we shall be on RRI. So the team spirit that these people have already shown today is going to continue, and we are going to ensure, and we are calling upon the residents to avoid being caught up in the process, because those people who will be apprehended doing the wrong thing or consuming these concoctions the wrong hours, and the ones that are not.
Kamachielo e kaunti onogo ma Migori moloyo kongo liters 800 mag kangara ne okethi kod apisas mag obila kaachiel gi nguru moloyo kilo 80 e gwengego eko mag Rongo. Akaluore kod chief magweng'no ero manoeri Joseph Nyamanga, moloyo kuonde nyuo kongo 6 ne otimne apedha makamago aka chijego duto ochopi e nyim doho.
Sasa tuliwawinda asubuhi mapema mpaka tukawashika saa 12 asubuhi. Sasa tumepata pombe hapa, ni pombe nyingi. Tumepata lita karibu 3 ya changa, na tumeharibu karibu lita 800 ya kangara. Na miwa ingine ilikuwa hapa walikuwa natengenezea, na tulikuwa tunanyemelea ili tuangalie mahali wanatengeneza, kumbe walihama wakaenda kwa miwa ingine. Ndio tumepata hizi zingine hizi za leo.
Lolwe TV, nyinga Joyce Oduor.